Hello everybody. Let me show you quickly how to record voice from ChatGPT. So let's say you have a book that you want to be read aloud and to record it, right? So here I have this text of the book. Well, first off, ChatGPT has a limit of 4,000 characters in its reply, so we would need to record the text by chunks of 4,000 characters maximum. And actually, sometimes when it reads out aloud, it gets some problem with RAM or some internal technical problems, and I found out that sometimes you better keep it up to 2,000 characters. But here's the workflow. So we've got a text, right? I have here in my Google Docs. First off, I want to be able to see how much characters I'm selecting. And let me remember where that thing is. Word count, tools, word count, and mark this checkbox, display word count while typing. So it appears right here. So as I said, we need to select up to 4,000, or logically I would select, like, see this first chapter. Also, a good thing to do is to add 3 periods, which will make ChatGPT do longer pause. And so let's select that. Then we go to ChatGPT and we tell it, type it back to me word by word, so that he will spit out this text without adding anything from himself, right? Because we don't want that. So now if we press read aloud, he will read it for us, right? But also, we want to record it. Use the software called Audacity. The audacity of some people, huh? A great name for the software. Here you will need to go to Audio Setup, Audio Settings, Host Windows Wasabi. Choose the Windows Wasabi and press OK. And just press record, and it will start recording as soon as something playing or your mic is active. Since my mic is now active, it records right away, but as you see, it doesn't record my voice. It will record only what is spoken from within your computer. So let's do that again. Let me show you. Record and press read aloud.
The mysterious moon, a lunar epic. Hush now and let the stars ignite in your imagination. Tonight we're embarking on a grand adventure, a journey to the celestial pearl that graces our night sky. More than just a light, more than just a rock, it's a world of mystery, a guardian, a timekeeper. It's the moon, and its story is far grander, far more captivating than you might ever have dreamed.
Then just press stop and export the audio. Export audio. It's exported in MP3. Standard is enough, standard quality. And that's it, just export and it's done. And you can use this MP3 further for whichever needs you have. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for your attention. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video and comment to support me and enable me to keep helping you with helpful videos like this. Thank you so much.